Hello, today I am making homemade dusting spray. I am tired of paying $5 or more for the commercial kinds that you buy in the store. And now they do have plant-based dusting sprays, just so you know. You don't have to make your own. I just wish to save the money and know what I have in the use of dusting spray. I have a lot of dusting here: wooden furniture, tables, picture frames, stands. A lot of wood in this house, and I prefer to use the dusting spray because it prevents the dust from building up, but also it cleans as well and shines. So what you're going to need is measuring cups. I have a 1/4 cup. You can make as much as you want. I'm going to use witch hazel. Witch hazel without the alcohol, because alcohol is drying to the wood. I have lemongrass essential oil, which is one of my favorites for the smell. There's also lemon essential oil. And a nice one is sweet orange essential oil. Now when you pick up furniture polishes, those are the fragrances, the citrus. You can also use lemon extract, orange extract, whatever fragrance you like, or not at all. But I like a nice clean smell, so I'm going to use the lemongrass. You're going to need a spray bottle that you can purchase at Dollar General, Dollar Tree, Target, Walmart. All those places have these bottles. You don't have to use witch hazel. You can use boiled water, distilled water, so it doesn't get stagnant and bacteria. Or you can use apple cider vinegar. Now, I myself find vinegar, I don't like the smell of it in a spray at all. I'm pushing that aside. You can use water, but water and essential oils don't mix well. So that means you have to shake it up each time, which you do anyway, but I don't want to use the water, so I'm using witch hazel. Now, I got this silicone funnel. These are fun to get. I've made a video on silicone covers a while back to cover up things in the refrigerator or leftovers. These don't take up any room at all. As you see, they just fold up, which is kind of cool. So you're going to put the funnel in the bottle. Add a 1/4 cup of oil of your choice. It could be almond oil or vegetable oil. After all, it's just going on the furniture as a dusting spray. Do not use olive oil. Too expensive. And olive oil has that fragrance. A 1/4 cup of witch hazel. I'm using lemongrass. So for this 8-ounce container, I'm going to use about 10 drops. I'm just making a little bit today. And put the top on. The top is on, and I shook it up. Get yourself a microfiber cloth. They really pick up the dust pretty good just on their own, and spray the cloth. And then you dust. It leaves a nice shine. It cleans because of the witch hazel or the vinegar. It doesn't leave a greasy film. You would think so with the oil. And you see very little dirt, but it's there. So this is a good thing to do to save money. The directions will be in the More box underneath the title. Save yourself $5 a jar or a bottle of cleaning spray or dusting spray. Thank you for watching.